Oh boy, sure is tiring after that crazy party at the station on St. Patrick's Day. Well, I want to dream good tonight, so I think I'll just keep this pot of gold with me and treat it like a stuffed animal while I sleep. Oh God, please God, no, not that, anything but that. Holy Freeling, Fleischer, Schlesinger, Jones, Avery, Lance, Tashlin, Hanna-Barbera! Oh, thank the Lord it was all just a nightmare. What seems to be the problem, Houston? Oh hey, it's Lucky Leprechaun. Hey, would you like to sing your song for me? Go get some Lucky Charms, they're magically delicious. Oh no, me lad, I guess you must be mistaken for somebody else. So you're not that leprechaun from the horror movies from the 90s? Oh no, me lad, why I'm just a different kind of leprechaun. One who has a gambling addiction. What? Well, you see, lad, every year on St. Patrick's Day, I go out for the evening and play some poker with the group. Soon afterwards, I earn a huge pot of gold. I never lose. Not only that, but I can see one right in front of you. Oh, you mean this? Well, you see, I was thinking about keeping it with me for the night, and then tomorrow I can place it in the attic until next year. I mean, you know how it is with decorations on holidays, right? Oh no, I wouldn't dream about doing that, me lad. Why not? Because if I don't get that pot of gold soon, the other leprechauns would be sorely displeased with me on our next poker night. Unless, maybe we've met before. Met before? I don't think so. Well, you watch those Lucky Charms commercials on TV, right? I suppose so. We're both wearing green, aren't we? Yeah, I guess so. Tell you what, Houston, I'll let you get back to sleep after you give me pot of gold. Okay, coming right up. I'm rich! A pot of golden coins, 14-karat gold! What in God's name was I putting in my water tanks?